So the challenge for today is breathing. We're going to focus on our breathing for 3 minutes. First, we're going to do a full yogic breath for 1, and then 2 minutes of breath of fire. For the full, we're going to try to expand the whole torso as we inhale and contract as we exhale. And then the other one is just breathing through the nose, in and out, with the same duration. As you inhale, your belly inflates, and as you contract the belly inflates and contracts, inflates and contracts. Try to focus more on the nose and the air coming in and out, and the breath, the movement on the belly will come eventually and automatically. So let's start. Stretch your arms in front of you, palms facing up, index and ring finger. Index and thumbs together. Close your eyes, inhale, inflate the belly. Continue inhaling, expanding the chest. Continue inhaling, rising the shoulders. And now exhale completely. First the shoulders, then the belly, and lastly the belly. And continue with this breath. Inhaling fully and exhaling completely. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. And now let's start with breath of fire, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And to finish, inhale deeply, retain the breath, close sphincter muscles, neck lock, Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha, and exhale. And gently release and come back, open your eyes, Sat.